Hi everyone, I'm Laura, and welcome back to Smart Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite takeout style dishes at home, orange chicken. It's crispy, flavorful, and sweet with a little kick. Here I've laid out all the ingredients we'll need. We'll be using chicken breast pieces, 1 egg, cornstarch, orange juice, chicken broth, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, a bit of sriracha, water, and oil for frying. First, make sure the chicken is cut into bite-sized pieces. Keeping them small helps everything cook evenly and gives us that perfect crispy texture. Next, crack an egg into a small bowl and whisk it lightly. This will help the cornstarch stick to the chicken. Here, I also have a bowl of cornstarch ready. This gives the chicken that beautiful light crunch when fried. Dip the chicken pieces into the beaten egg, and then coat them in the cornstarch. Make sure every piece is covered. That's the secret to getting a restaurant-style crispy coating. Now let's move to the stove and heat oil in a wok to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 182 Celsius. You can use a kitchen thermometer like I'm doing here, or test the oil by dropping in a tiny bit of batter. If it bubbles right away, it's ready. It's time to fry the chicken. Gently lower the coated pieces into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn golden and crisp. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once they're ready, scoop the chicken out and place it on a plate lined with paper towels. This removes any excess oil and keeps the dish light and clean. Now it's time to make the star of the recipe, the orange sauce. Add orange juice, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, sriracha, and chicken broth to a small saucepan. As it heats, the flavors blend beautifully. Next, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and pour it into the saucepan. As it simmers, the sauce thickens into a shiny, sticky, delicious glaze. Pour the hot orange sauce over the fried chicken and toss everything together. Every piece gets coated evenly, and the smell at this point is incredible. Serve the orange chicken over freshly steamed white rice. I like to finish it with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and chopped green onions for extra flavor and color. I hope you enjoy this beautiful dish. If you liked cooking with me today, please give this video a like so more people can discover it. And don't forget to subscribe to our Smart Kitchen channel and tap the bell so YouTube notifies you whenever we upload a new recipe. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.